up? Chef Martin here, Carport Motor Company. This test drive Tuesday. Y'all, 2010 Kia Fasolatida. Okay, look at that car. Look at that car. It's got soul, baby. It's got a lot of soul. Now, this is a cool looking, this color, even though the title says it's silver, look at this. It looks kind of almost seafoam, doesn't it? But it's this cool looking color. Got some nice little side trim pieces that you can kind of jazz it up a little bit. It got a little bit of jazz to it. All right. Let me show you this down here. Look at that rim. It's got that aluminum alloy. That thing is a gorgeous set of tire or rims on this thing. You've also got four-wheel disc brakes. Four-wheel disc brakes. See back here? Got a little disc down there. Got a little brake caliper going. Psh, psh, psh. Okay, so that all works. Okay, look at this. On the inside, holy macramole. If you're gonna be talking about soul, look at all that soul that's in there. You got leather seats. All right, leather seats. I'll show you on the steering column. This thing, it's got every option imaginable. Every option imaginable. All right. So same thing. Rear, everything's nice and clean. It's all geared up. It all looks good, pretty as can be. And then when you come around here to the back hatch, then you got good carrying space. You can stack stuff in here. Look at that. That's nice and clean and easy. Put the floor mats in, see? And then, okay, real easy. Look here. Fold that little mow digger down like that, and then bring that little mow digger whoop, right back up. Easy peasy. And y'all, it's got that little spoiler on the back. Man, you look like you're going 100 miles an hour without going anywhere. You just park, it looks good. Look at the windshield wiper. All right, so again, everything looks good. There's some minor scratches. Minor, don't be picky. Minor scratches. But she's got 66,000 miles on it. She's a 2010. That's some low miles for a 2010. Hop in here, Jeff. Let's get out on the road, show what it can do. All right, so let me just show you before we get out of here. What you want to do is you want to cater to your soul. You want to cater to your soul, and when you do, that means you're going to have some power. You got power windows, power door locks, all right? Power mirrors, all right? You got everything that you want. You got your little anti-skid button down there. Look here. Everything it's got little fog lamps up on the front. I don't know if we showed the fog lamps, but that's pretty dang sweet. All right, so you got your intermittents. And then right here on your stereo controls over here, your cruise control over here, your telephone. Gotta talk to somebody, hang up that phone, get off that phone. And then you got your mute, boom, okay? All on your steering wheel, very comfortable, okay? All your gauges are easy to read, simple, and look at that, I told y'all, 66,924 miles, easy peasy, man, that's just low mileage for a vehicle this nice, all right? So come over here to your stereo, it connects Bluetooth, aux cord, CD, you can just kind of lay into this thing, anything you want, it's got all sorts of stuff, air conditioning, just like you want it. And then, I'm gonna roll it back up here, look, yeah. Ooh, how you like that? You know what? You can see heaven in your soul right there. Woo! You can see heaven in your soul because it's got a sunroof. A sunroof. It's just, there's no damage up on that dash. And it's got, man, it has got a sound system that'll bounce. It'll bounce. Let me get myself buckled. Ooh, I forgot to mention this too. It's been a little bit of a chilly spring here in South Georgia. It's been a cold spring in other places. So when your fanny gets cold, you're gonna want to, sometimes want to warm that little fanny up. And look at that right there. Get little seat warmers. It's got leather seats, and you can warm yours. You don't have to have a cold fanny when you drive this car. You don't have to have a cold butt. Okay, no cold butts here. Okay, nobody got a cold butt. All of us warm-butted people. Right?
Warm-butted.
All right, here we go. Warm-butted, warm-blooded. All right, here we go. So y'all, let me adjust the steering wheel height just a little bit here. Just bring it down. Boom, boom. See, I kind of like it. I like the steering wheel a little lower. I just do. That's my preference, okay? So, this thing gets, what, 30 miles to the gallon on the highway, Jeff? 24 in the city. Y'all, as gas prices continue to increase, you need a car that's going to give you some good performance and some good gas mileage. So boom, we're at 60 miles a gallon, 60 miles an hour. Y'all, I'm telling you right now, this car will flat do it. And getting out on the road, it's a road car, but it's not been ridden a whole bunch because it's got these low miles. So you've got all this sort of stuff going for you with this little Kia Soul. It's not something that you're gonna find just in any corner lot. You've got a unique Kia. I mean, this Kia make you want to be you, because this thing is a unique, it's be yourself, be your soul, all right? This Kia may not put you in there, okay? Now, once you're out there on the road and you're showing everybody what you got, you know, you can just turn this thing on a dime. Look at this. I'm just turning right here. A little tight U-turn. Everything works perfect, okay? Little sunroof action up here. Ooh, see that right there? And then in case sometimes you might have somebody who has an offensive odor, you can actually just lift the back of it a little, just breathe out. It'll just suck right out there, okay? All right, now, enough of the offensive odors, whatnot. Let's get some boom going. And hear you say boom, boom, boom. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can tune it to something that's... fully. Let's see here. That's amazing. Either way. You know, did you watch CMT Awards?
Some of them.
I couldn't tell Carrie Underwood had anything done. And I'd be quite frank with you. I think that whole Carrie Underwood thing was just one big build-up for, like, hey, she's got a new album coming. That's what I think it was. I mean, it was marketing. I think that's what that was. But I mean, Carrie Underwood's a good-looking woman. Don't get me wrong. I mean, she's. But either way, some things are just blowing way out of proportion. All right. God, it's got such a better stereo. I can't find anything that's got bass. Either way.
Sold to me.
Hey, listen. That's the school board over there. Pierce County school system is one of the best in the state. I'm serious, y'all. It is one of the best in the state. Pierce County schools rock. I mean, and they're testing right now, so we all need to be in prayer for our babies while they're taking the tests, because we want them all to do well, be with the teachers while they try to administer everything, okay? Here we go. So, 2010 Kia Soul, y'all. Come on, put your money down. We'll work some payments out with you. We're a little buy here, pay here dealer as well, and give you two other options. I got two FDIC lenders. They'll be glad to get you a good loan set up and payments worked out for you. I got another opportunity for you. You just bring cash in. You bring cash in, this car, I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect for you. You're out there, you're driving on the road, and you're having a good time, because you'll be in your Kia and you'll be ya in your soul. All right, y'all. I'm Jeff Martin, Carport Motor Company, 929 Main Street, Blackshear, Georgia, 912-807-3333. Give us a call. Look on our website. We got pictures of this beauty, all right, already on the website. We got the Carfax on this thing. It's gorgeous. Wait till you see the Carfax. I mean, it reads really, really pretty. It's like a fairy tale. I mean, it's that nice, okay? All right, then otherwise, y'all come on, give us a call, come see us, test drive this Mo Digger, and till next week, y'all go to church on Sunday. Thanks for watching us. Share our video, and get your friends talking about us, because we want to bring some good people with some good cars at some great, great deals. God bless you.